up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I know we're in a different location. I actually picked up something or two items today, and I really wanted to share with you guys. One of the items being my shirt, my Fortnite shirt. I picked it up at my local GameStop for about $22, so that was a really good find. Another find that I was not expecting to be out so soon. I did see where ThinkGeek was doing pre-orders on them, but that was about 2 weeks ago, and I wasn't expecting them to have them out so soon. But it's the Fortnite figures. This is the first series that is out, and this is the Cuddle team leader. And then of course she's on the side of the box there with her little paws on the side, doing a little cute pose with her name down there at the bottom. Same thing on the side. And then on top it has Fortnite Cuddle team leader, and of course it's by Mcfarlane toys. I do apologize if my voice is a little off. I am getting over a cold. She comes with the Loot Llama axe, her scar gun, her bow, back bling, and then of course the figure itself. On the back it does show the figures for the first series, which is going to be the Black Knight, of course the Cuddle team leader, the Skull Trooper, I believe, and the Raptor. Now the Cuddle team leader and the Skull Trooper do not come with these axes. They come with a different axe. She comes with a tatted axe, and he comes with the Reaper axe. So they are mixing and matching them. I actually am kind of liking how they're doing this. Reason being, as on the game, you're able to mix and match your Bing Blade, your axe, your costumes, and make it your own. So I really like how Mcfarlane has made each character kind of their own. Now, one question I do have, because I don't have these two, is if their black back blings are different. They're from their axe, since these are the axes that do come with them. Also at the bottom you see the shadow of a little teaser of series 2. So sorry. So series 2, it looks like it's coming with Rex, the Omega, the Bright Bomber, and of course Drift. Drift reminds me of one of those Egyptian dogs, so he's pretty cool. So those are my guesses down there at the bottom of who's coming up in series 2. Right here you'll see the 30+ inch axes that are coming out. I have the Loot Llama and of course the Dino. These are good for Halloween cosplaying. Another idea I was thinking is sorry about that. The other thing I was thinking about this Loot Llama or the axes is if you have a Fortnite birthday party, maybe these, depending on how strong they are, you can use them to hit the piñata. Now again, it just depends on how much they cost and if you're willing to put that type of damage to it. Or they could be really, really good and they not even have, you know, they could stand the withhold of hitting a piñata. But I thought that'd be kind of cool, or just to have. So it's cool how they're coming out with these figures. Again, I like how they're mixing and matching them and making it their own. So that being said, let's get into this box. Alright, after taking it out, the first thing I see here is a little stand. It does say Fortnite. Can you see it with the glare? I do apologize. And then of course down here is a little emblem, and it says Fortnite as well, but it does come with a stand. And then here she goes. Very detailed. So the first thing we'll get into is the gun. The gun is going to be the scar gun, and I feel like this is the best gun that they have for Fortnite or in Fortnite. It has quite a few details in it. It looks pretty cool. I mean, it looks just like the gun. Can you guys see that? Sorry if you guys hear yelling. My neighbor tends to like to yell randomly. I don't know why. I do have a bow for her back bling, so she comes with the back bow. And then the axe, the Loot Llama axe. That is just super cool. You can see the details of the line, the rainbow. It's pretty heavy. It does have some weight to it. This part's pretty bendable. Here it's just really hard. Can you hear that? It's pretty hard. And it is kind of heavy. Like, it does have some weight to it. And the best. She actually looks exactly like the game. I feel like there's a lot of detail. She has the buttons. My favorite part was on her wrist. And you can see where it says XOXO. Gossip Girl. I know some of you guys are going to get that. So again, she has quite a few details. I mean, one eye's pink, one eye's purple. She has that scar above her eye. She has some good weight to her. Her articulation is absolutely crazy in this. So she moves to the side. Her head can go yes, and she can go all the way down. As well as her arms. So from here to this part, it's like a, and then her elbow, her hand, and her wrist all have great articulation. So you can bend it all the way back. You can go all the way forward. You can go up, and she can just, you know, salute you. She can wave. And then here as well, she, you know, her arm has really great articulation. Her leg, like her foot is what gets me. So she has a whole entire foot here. But if you look, it goes all the way back. Like her toes are literally going over her foot. And then her foot can literally just say yes to you. And then her boots, you can see the laces are very detailed. And then of course, her signature shin guard here. And then her knee pad. And then like I said, it's just great articulation. Her foot literally goes all the way to her back. You see that? That is really crazy. So, I really do like how her waist is really small, and it's kind of looking like her pants are kind of hip huggers, and they're just kind of hugging her waist. I think that looks really, really cute. And again, I love the articulation in this figure. You can do so many things with it. It can pose it in so many different ways, and just really just play with it if you're wanting to play with it. I'm going to try to put on this back blade. I did, black bling, I'm sorry. When I did have trouble the first time I did try to do this before I posting this video. But I'm going to try it again. I'm going to try it off camera, and then just give me a second. Before I put on the back bling, I wanted to show the detail and the straps of her shin guard. Do you guys see that? Just how detailed that is? So I'm actually going to put on the back bling with you guys, just so you could see, like, you just kind of have to push and find that force in your thumb and push it on, and then it looks just like that. Now we're going to get the axe and put it on. At least I'm going to try to. There we go. Her thumb is very flexible that it sometimes goes, and then on the fingers you can actually see the nail, like the nail of the finger, and then she kind of just looks like that. And you can, again, you can post her to where she could just hold it, and then that's how she looks with her axe. And as you can see, it looks really good. Very detailed. She can stand up on her own. And then of course, her gun. She looks really great with it. Let me try to have her holding both, just because the axe, like I said, it does have some weight to it. So let's see if she can just hold it. Something like that. Of course, my finger's holding it down, but see how much weight that it has. It kind of just pulls it down. But in all honesty, I feel like this is a great figure, a great series. I can't wait to collect them all and just mix and match them and make them my own and stand them up. These are going to be, honestly, if you have a child, a friend, a relative that is a huge Fortnite fan, I feel like these are going to be great gifts. Again, I go every Friday to my local GameStop and kind of just see what I can find. I think it was like 2 Fridays ago, I found the Fortnite shirt. And then just today, well, yesterday they had these. I passed it up. I thought it was a huge loss. They actually had one more today, so I knew I had to snag it. I'm hoping to find the other ones. I'm not sure if they're coming out each week, or this was just one that I got a lucky find, you know, just kind of one of those gold gems. And if so, I am so excited. I hope you guys get these and just kind of want to be able to just play with these, play with them around, get them for a gift for birthday, you know, or like I said, relatives or anyone of that sort, and just see what they, and just have fun with them. But again, Fortnite Cuddle Team Leader at your local GameStop. Don't forget to click subscribe, like this channel, share this video with your other friends and family. Again, thank you guys. Have a great one.